Hey, Patrick here. I don't know how this escaped me, but apparently you're not supposed to try to hard boil eggs in a dish of water in the microwave because the eggs blow up. This is the aftermath of a dozen eggs. Or actually, no, a half dozen eggs. Six. So, yeah. I got a lot of cleanup to do. And I think we're going to be smelling eggs until the day we retire this microwave, which might be sooner than later, but oh well. It was going really well until the explosions. 2 giant explosions, which cleared that entire bowl of water and the 6 eggs that were sitting in it. A couple of them are mostly intact. The other 4 exploded, disintegrated. So yeah, lesson learned. All right, do the stove next time.